Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick video of downpipe mounted. Of course, I've still got to connect from there to there, but pretty simple. What's left is pretty simple. Waiting for material to come in a couple days, but there's the O2 sensor placement, so I know the lighting's not the best. There's plenty of clearance here, easy install on the primary and secondary. Secondary runs nicely here in between. You can see there the trans mount, and it all comes up to here, which I've got the wires just tucked up here for now, but all the plugs mount to a bracket there on the transmission. And then on the left bank, of course, there's the primary, which hard to see, but it's got plenty of clearance there. Let's see here. There's the spring-mounted or spring-loaded bolted joint with the hanger supporting the left side or left bank, and then there's the secondary O2, which it sits close to the transmission lower mount, but still plenty of clearance there. And this wire runs nicely, stays tucked up, and again runs up here. So nice wire routing, easy installs. There's the right side and right bank hanger with this same style bolted joint and high temp bushing. And so I figured I'd also do a obligatory, essentially open header startup. See what things sound like. Maybe this thing will start up. I haven't cranked it up yet. All right. That's always fun. Loud things. Good fun. Alrighty. There you guys have it. A few days after Monday, hopefully she'll be back on the ground making quieter turbo sounds again.